Hello students, we are back with another video on Unit 1, that is Unit and Measurement of NCERT Grade 11 Physics syllabus. These are the things which we have done previously. If you want to learn all this, check my previous videos. In this video, we will study about significant figures and the arithmetic operation with significant figures. These are all the things which I have already taught in the previous videos, so do check these videos to find out all these things, what are the things that we have studied and how I have explained all these things. Now let's start significant figures. What are significant figures? So the numbers whose values are accurately known in a particular measurement are called it significant figures. And there are certain rules for determining the number of significant figures. For example, the first rule, all non-zero digits are significant, that is 5432. How many significant figures? 4, because there is no zero. But if the zero is between two non-zero digits, then it is also considered. In 502, 3, because the zero is between two non-zero digits. Okay, if a number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point are not significant. Can you see that these zeros which are underlined are not significant? So how many significant figures are there in this? 3. But in a number without a decimal point, the trailing zeros are not significant. It's just like, so 5210 has 3. But in a number with a decimal point, the trailing zeros are significant. So in this 0, that is the one just after the decimal point, that is this 0 is non-significant, but these two zeros are significant. So the total is 1 2 3 4. Sixth rule, all zeros to the right of the decimal point are significant if they are not followed by a non-zero digit. 67.000, 5 significant figures. Now this is interesting. Change of unit does not change the number of significant figures. 2.6 kilometer, 2 significant figures. 2600 meter, 2 significant figures. 2,60,000 centimeter, 2 significant figures. So from this is a very interesting thing that we can understand, that in order to remove the ambiguities or confusions in determining the significant figures, as in the above case, it is suggested to convert the measurement into scientific notation, that is the power of 10. For example, 2.6 kilometer can be written as 2.6 into 10 to the power of 0 kilometer, 2 significant figures. 2600 meter, 26 into 10 to the power of 2, again 2 significant figures. Then 2,60,000 can be written as 26 into 10 to the power of 4, again 2 significant figures. Now let us do a few questions on this. First one, how many? 4, rule 1. 0.024, 2, rule number 3. 4200, 2, rule number 4. 91.000, that is rule 6, 5. 4.57 into 10 to the power of 8, then 3, because the power 1 we don't consider. Move forward to rules for rounding off a measurement. If a digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. That is, if it is 15.33, so this last 3 is less than 5, so we left this unchanged, so it is 15.3. But if it is greater than 5, then we increase the preceding by 1. That is, here this 6 is greater than 5, so this 3 increases to 4. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by a non-zero digit, then the preceding digit is increased by 1. So it is just like the previous one. So it is 351. So this 5 needs to be removed. So this increases to 4. Okay, if 5 is to be dropped, the digit that is the preceding is left unchanged. If it is even, that is 142.45. Now 4 is even, so it remains as such 142.4. If the digit to be dropped is 5, then the preceding is increased by 1 if it is odd. That is, now this 3 is odd, so and I need to drop this 5, so this increases to 4. Let's do a few examples for this. 11.652 for 3 digits. Okay, clear. 189.77 to 2 digits. 0.7995 up to 1 digit. Okay, then 31.325 into 10 to the power of minus 5 to 4 digits. 9.8953 to 2 digits, and this one. So try on your own. Here comes the answers. The first one, what is yours? Mine is 11.6 because it says to 3 digits. Okay, and we used this rule. Next one, 19000 because we've said 2 digits, so the last one they don't count, that's why this is the nearest answer. 0.8 because we need to do it for 1 digit. 31.32 because it was even, so we left that there. Okay, then it is 9.9, or you can say 9 point, yeah, 9.9 is a better answer. And the last one, 6.00, because it says 3 significant digits, that's why it is 6.00. It will be 3, and then 10 to the power of 5 remains as. Now the arithmetic operations with significant figures. Significant figures in addition and subtraction. Simple, the final result should have the same number of significant figures as the number with the least number of significant. Let's give you an example to understand. Add these three terms, okay, and express the result to an appropriate number of significant figures. So we added what we got, 31.684. Now this is the answer. How many significant figures are there? 5. But what was the least in the question? 2. So my answer should be rounded off to 2, and that is 32. Okay, let's do the subtraction example. So we need to subtract. Okay, we did. Now here there are 4, here there are 6, and in the answer also I got 6, so I need to round it off to 4. So 2.535 because 4 was the least number of significant figures. Let's take another example. This is interesting. Can you see here the powers are not same? Here it is 10 to the power of minus 4 and here it is 10 to the power of minus 2. So the hint is convert them into decimal form. So we suppose that this 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 4, we say let it suppose it's equal to A. In decimal, when I wrote, I got 2 significant figures. It was already having 2 only. B can be written as 0.0702 significant, and on subtracting we got 0.069764 significant, but our answer should be in 2. That's why 0.070. Now we did addition, subtraction. Let's try multiplication and division. So the rule remains the same. Okay, so radius is given for a sphere. I need to find the volume. So radius, how many significant figures? 2. The formula for volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We solved. How many significant figures are we getting in the answer? 5. But it needs to be rounded off to 2. That's why 39 centimeter cube. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, each side of a cube is given. How many significant figures? 4. Okay, surface area, I hope you know the formula, S equal to 6L square. We solved it. How many significant figures in the answer? 6, but our answer should be in 4. So we rounded off and we got 311.3 meter square. Let's take one more example. Okay, here it is for division. So what is given? Okay, mass is given. How many significant figures? 3. Volume is given. How many? 2. So my answer should be in 2 significant figure because 2 is less as a number for significant figure. Density is mass by volume on solving. Now this is coming in 4. We need to round it off to 2. That is 4.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now let's recapitulate what we studied. Significant figures, the numbers whose values are accurately known. Rules for finding significant figures, all these rules that I told you people. Then significant figures in arithmetic operations, and the rule was the final result should have the same number of significant figures as the number with the least number of significant figures. Now some questions. These are the 5 questions in which I can say question number 2 is a very good question. I will suggest you to pause the video and try the questions on your own, and then watch again to check whether your answers match with mine. So the answers, the first one, we need to tell the number of significant figures. First one, 3. Okay, the reason is also written. Second one, 2. In number with decimal point trailing zeros are significant. Third one, 2. Without decimal trailing zeros are not significant. In this is easy, 4. This one, 4, because the trailing ones are significant in a number with decimal point. And this one, 3, 4.70, 10 to the power we never consider, power of 10 is not. Now this was the question I was talking. So a jeweler has a gold necklace weighing 2.71 grams, and okay, weigh box is also given, so weight of box is 2.2. Okay, that is 2200 grams. Necklace is 2.71. So what about the total weight? So 2200 plus 2.71, that gives me 2202.71 grams, which can be written as 2.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Why? Because in the question, which is the minimum number of significant, this one 2.2, that is 2. That's why we converted into 2 significant figures, or 2.2 kg. Answer is rounded off to 2 significant figures. So this is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 3 kg, that is 2.2 kgs. Now subtract here what we are doing, they should have the same power. So what we have done, okay, this remains as such. The second one can be written as 49 into 10 to the power of 4. So the difference we will find is 47.8. Now how many significant for 2? 2. So answer should be in 2. Here it is in 3. So we rounded off to 48 into 10 to the power of 4, or 4.8 into 10 to the power of 5. Next question, we need to solve and express the result to an appropriate number of significant figures. On solving, what we got? How many significant figures? 5, but the minimum is 3. So that's why 0.173 rounded off. Second one, on multiplying, we get 26.154 significant, but the minimum is 1. So our answer should be rounded off 30, because 1 significant figure. This one, on solving, we get 30711.09. So how many significant? 3 to 5 to 7. But what is the minimum? 3. So answer needs to be rounded off. So 307 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay. Then the last question, the diameter is given. How many significant figures? 3. We found the radius. Then we find out the area. How many significant? 4, but diameter is in 3, so it should be having 3. So that's why we rounded off. A equal to 3.23 centimeter square. Do watch the next video for the next topic. Thank you so much.